Here at Campfire Meals, we need some sugar, so let's do a dessert. Alrighty, today we're gonna whip up, let's call it a little Dutch oven apple crisp. I've got 5 Granny Smith apples cut up, got some brown sugar, got some honey. We're going to put some apple juice, a little bit of butter, quite a bit of butter, and some nutmeg pinched into the vanilla. Now for the crumb, we're gonna start with some rolled oats. We're gonna do about a cup of white flour, some sea salt. Let's throw about a half a stick of butter in there. Ooh, we got a smoky one. That's gonna go fast. All right, we're gonna dump these 5 Granny Smith apples. Let's call it 4. Throw in nutmeg, vanilla. Toss in our apple juice. There we go. We're gonna take about a half of all of our brown sugar. Oh, there's the goodness right there. That's the goodness. All right, and you know what? I want some honey. Yeah, give it a nice little stir. Break up those chunks of your brown sugar. You notice I still have some peels on that apple. No worries. It's all gonna cook down. You see how that's going? Gosh, it's good to get that thing nice and hot. We're gonna make that crumb real quick. You got your brown sugar. Here's your rolled oats. Here's your flour. More flour. I'm gonna do a pinch of salt. Teaspoon. All right, now first, whip this up. Get it all nice and mixed. And here comes the fun part. Stick it in half, put that underneath, and then squish. Make sure you got some ashes on your fingers. If it doesn't taste like ash, you're just not doing it right. All right, I'm gonna give that one more stir. Yep, see how that's bubbling real well? That's gonna soften up real good. I'm gonna kind of do like a pancake. So, like so. Where's my production assistant? I need the lid for this thing. Where's that lid? Oh, as if by magic. There we go. Now we're gonna give that, probably about 15-20 minutes. That crumble is gonna get nice and soft. Perfect with vanilla ice cream. All right, so we've had this on the fire for about 20 minutes. It's gonna depend on how hot your fire is, how big your pot is, etc., how many apples you've got. Really what you're looking for is your apples are gonna get nice and caramelized. You can see that around the rim also. It's gonna get a little black, but you've got a nice crust on there. But here's a little trick. If you're in a hurry, if your kids are in a hurry, use a little blow torch. Who doesn't have a blow torch? There we go. And you're gonna get in there, just caramelize it up. Here at Campfire Meals, we work really hard to give you the tools so that you can be a campfire hero. Smelling a Dutch oven apple crumb is sure to make other campers notice. Come on, stunt kids, it's time to eat. You're the small one. Let's get it. Oh, good job. All right, so let's just get a nice big scoop of that. Now, how about a nice scoop of our Tillamook vanilla bean ice cream? Tillamook, Oregon, right on the coast.
On the coast?
Yummy indeed. There you go. And you get the spoon with the good goo on it. There you go. Thanks for joining us at Campfire Meals. I got some friends out here. We're gonna enjoy this cobbler. In the meantime, it's getting hungry out here, and I'll see you at the campfire. Woo! Oh man, I did a pretty good job.
White Knuckle Studios.